Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet without egg. Begin by mixing chickpea flour, water, nutritional yeast, kala namak, and a pinch of baking powder until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan with oil and pour a ladle of batter, spreading evenly. Cook over medium heat until edges set, then flip gently. Add fillings like sautéed mushrooms and spinach before folding. Serve hot with herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. For great flavor, prepare fillings ahead to control moisture and texture. Sauté mushrooms, peppers, or spinach until most moisture evaporates, then season them well. Fold in vegan cheese or avocado after flipping so it melts slightly without making the omelet soggy. Try smoked paprika or fresh herbs for depth, and a splash of lemon or hot sauce to lift the flavors. Keep fillings modest to ensure neat folding and easy flipping. Control heat and timing to get a tender omelet that isn't dry. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium, add a thin oil layer, and pour batter, spreading gently. Cover briefly to help set the top if needed, then lift edges to check doneness. Flip carefully using a silicone spatula or fold half over fillings to finish cooking. Rest a minute before serving so the texture firms slightly and slices cleanly on the plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.